Hello guys, so today we are doing the second part of the video, which is finishing the art journal page. So I just draw the focal point in a separate page and did a collage. And as you can see, integrating the collage onto the page. But as you can see, the papers are very different. So the reaction with the watercolor is different. So I was not achieving the integration of it. So I first of all tried it with one layer and then I realized that was not working. So then I decided to use the Stabilo pencil as I did on the hat. And I love the intensity of the Stabilo pencil. I absolutely love it. And the effect that you get is like a watercolor. So now you can see that it's more integrated. And then I just work a little more on the page, so I put the sentiment, and then in two videos before we did like a real focal point, so I did something similar and I collaged it into the page, and now something was missing, so I just took one envelope that I arrived at home because I collect all the envelopes that I received, and it's nice because it's this like a very neutral color that goes very well with the page. And so that's it, we finished the page. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel and follow me in my social media. And if you do the page, just let me know in Instagram. And that's it for today. See you next time, guys. Bye.